Mustang time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe. A-code 289 V8 powered. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front chrome grille. Of course, pony emblem. Now you notice that chrome looks nice. It appears that they have put new chromed bumpers on this car because along with it, you're going to get the originals. We'll put those in the car when I'm done with the pictures and videos. If you decode this car, it is originally a Caspian blue, paint code H. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see that door tag. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price of this vehicle. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 when you call in. Mustang wheel covers, white wall radials. And as you could see by that little shot of the hood, paint has a nice shine to it. Yeah, you might find a couple places here and there where there's maybe been a little bit of a touch up by prior owners taking care of the car. But overall, this car shows nice. 289 is paired up with a Cruise-O-Matic, I believe, which would be your C4 automatic transmission. So we take a look at the passenger side of the vehicle, and again, you can see nice shine from that paint. Interior, number 62, which is going to be blue and white luxury interior, always known as pony interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. White vinyl top, also in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. There you can see the rear chrome bumper, also in nice shape, same as these taillight bezels. Sometimes you start to see those look pitted, looking good on this car. And once again, paint showing well on the deck lid. uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. Be able to see the undersides. Take your time looking through them. Over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. At the end of this little walk around video, there'll be a quick one too of it driving down the road. You'll get kind of a bird's eye view what it'd be like to ride in this car. Want to check that out? Stick around. All right, and as you can see, driver's side, not really full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches either. Let's take a look. There was one when I was taking the pictures. Hold on. I'll show you what I mean. Pretty minor and not much. Where did it go? I won't be able to find it back. One real small one right there. So that's being awful fussy. Try to find one that small. So like I said, paint looks nice, nothing too major. Your interior, again, white and blue. Deluxe vinyl. It appears that it's original. You can see lacquer rips, tears, holes. Oops, sorry, I made the camera go a little blurry there. Headliner, also nice shape. Let's fire this one up, see how it sounds. 5-gauge bezel, wood grain trim. Fires right up. Little aftermarket stereo system in here. Let's check that out. So we got AM. Let's go to FM. Where's that going to be at? Here it is. And let's try tuning it a little bit.
In the transporter movie, Jeremy Piven turns 50.
Is the radio working? Check these gauges. Fuel gauge looked like it came up. That was a oil pressure is not registering, so it looks like oil pressure gauge not working. You can see it was a cold start. Here's your temp gauge. That one is down. And amps is also working. around to the back. Check out how this sounds. Door closes nice. Dual exhaust back here. Nothing crazy over the top as far as cam or loud exhaust, anything like that. Let's go ahead and slip up to the front. Let me get this hood popped and we'll check out this engine bay. Here's the underside of the hood. There it is. And again, you can see power steering, power brakes, 289. You don't always see the early ones with steering and brakes, that's for sure. Definitely makes it a little easier to drive. And remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's a 65 Ford Mustang Coupe. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Ford Mustang. Blue on the outside with blue and white interior. This is an automatic mounted on the floor. Acceleration is as you would expect. Oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel also in the middle at half. Amps a little over half, which means it is charging. Temperature just above cold. Spark-o-matic radio and cassette player in the dash. The radio does work. The windshield wipers working great. A little bit of wind noise from this quarter window up here. Letting go of the wheel in this car. It does stay where you put it. Brakes working well. '65 Mustang, really an iconic car. Factory looking bucket seats with a custom made center console for cup holders and storage. Very easy to drive car, easy to steer. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.